In the beginning, there was nothing. And then, bang, AEL was born. Astro's Electronics Lab brings you entertaining, sometimes silly videos relating to electronics for your enjoyment. Follow along with his frustrations and antics and maybe learn something in the process.
Greetings, the Astro 30 here, yet again with some Accusound column speakers to play with today. Now, I bought these from the South Hobart tip shop this morning. I actually saw them in there last week and no one had bought them. I paid $40 for them, and if that 4/3 means the 3rd of April, then okay, that's how long they've been sitting there for. And sound good. Yeah, okay. Now the cabinets have a few little dings and dents. And I was talking to my flatmate about these particular speakers, and he said, well, for $40 you couldn't really sell them on for any more than that, so they're not really worth anything. But I'll pop the baffle cover off, and as we can see, we've got two, I'm going to say they look like 6-inch speakers. It's 145 roughly for the baffle opening, which would be roughly 6 inches, and there's two of them, so probably make the bass sound a little bit better, and a little, I believe that's a mylar tweeter in the center there. However, if you blow one of these drivers, it doesn't look like these speakers actually come apart to replace them. I can't even see how this baffle plate comes off, if it even comes off. It doesn't look like it comes off. So yeah, if you blow them up, well, you blow them up. At the back here we've got a bass reflex port. So they're actually a model OM-650 floor standing speaker. Maximum power is 120 watts. The impedance is 8 ohms. Sensitivity is 87 decibels, which is average. And the frequency response is from 40 Hz to 20 kHz, which is, yeah, not bad. And you've got these horrid speaker connector terminals at the back of both speakers. So I'm actually curious as to what type of crossover they're using in here. So this is the only thing that comes unscrewed. I'll unscrew the input connector, because usually they mount the crossover to the back of the connector, the PCB. Most cases anyway. Sometimes they may mount them inside the cabinet. So I might pull this out and we won't see anything, but it's always, you know, interesting to have a look. Now it seems to be dropping down like that, so there must be a bit of weight attached to it. So get this final screw out. I was right, the crossover is mounted to the back of the input. And without putting too much stress on the wiring, here's the crossover here. It's just simply 2 inductors and 2 capacitors, so being a two-way crossover would make sense. There's room here for an extra 2 capacitors, probably to improve the frequency response, or it may be for a different design, but that's all that is. It's not really all that exciting. So at least we know what crossover it's using. So I'll just put this back together now. There we go, like it never happened. Okay, I've got the speaker hooked up to the left channel of an amplifier. I've got an oscillator going into the amplifier. So we're just going to turn the amplifier on if I can reach. And alright. I'll just kill this fan, hang on. Alright, that's about 100 hertz. Put it on 10 hertz. Look at those drivers move. Alright, let's try high frequency. Oh, yeah, that's annoying. Alright, sweet, that speaker seems to work alright. Let's test the other one. I'm just using clip leads to make the connection. That one sounds okay. Alright, put it on lower frequency. Let's try high frequency. Sweet. So both these speakers seem to be working and the tweeters are working, which is good. That was really ear piercing. So what I should do now is probably hook them up to each channel of the amplifier and just see how, well, when both are driven, how the sound is. Alright, they're pretty far away from each other and it doesn't even quite fit in the frame. So, let's see if I can get a track playing.
Dream
point. Yeah, they certainly seem to sound alright. Highs, the treble does seem fairly crisp, like kind of a little over the top. Don't know how else to describe it. It just makes it feel like you're having like listening fatigue. But yeah, I mean, you can see how tall they are when I'm standing next to them. They're up to my stomach, so, and I'm 5'11". These cabinets need a good clean. They're dusty. So I'll get to doing that and then we'll close this video out. This is just multi-purpose cleaner. As long as I clean it with the grain, it won't streak as much. So you don't really need to see me cleaning the speaker. So I'm going to do this off camera. Check it out, they're all clean and they smell orangey fresh. So yeah, they don't look too bad now that they've had the dust cleaned off of them. Yeah, it's still a shame that there's like a nick here that I can't do nothing about. There's also one here too. They sound alright. The treble's a little bit high. It would have been nice if they had an adjustable pot on the back or something for the treble. But that one's going to do this here. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please remember to go down below and like, comment and subscribe. And I'll catch you in the next one. This is Astro30 saying see ya. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. I'm Samuel Jones. This has been Astro's Electronics Lab.